Okay, so we have about 250 grams of chicken boneless here. Obviously you can take as much as you like depending on how many people that you're cooking for. We've got about 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 onion. We've got about a cup of plain flour. We've got a couple of pasta, and you can use any type of pasta you like, of your preference, but we prefer this one for this type of pasta, so we're using this pasta. I've got 1 stalk of broccoli, and we've got 1 double cream, I'm going to use about a cup of double cream, and then I've got about a 1/3 cup of milk there as well, which we'll use. Okay, I've just put some water in a pan just to boil the pasta, and what I'm going to do is just add a tablespoon of salt, and in goes 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I'm going to let that mix. Okay, so we've got the chicken in here, in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we're just going to let that cook through slightly. I've left it on the pan for about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to add in my ginger and garlic. Give that a good mix. Okay, so the water has come to a boil now for the pasta, so it's time to put in the pasta inside the boiling water. And we'll let that again cook through, and then we can assemble the whole pasta. Okay, so I've just added the chopped onion in about 1 glass of water, and I've put it on the stove, and we're going to let it simmer. This approximately takes about 10 minutes, so we're not going to let it boil, but just let it simmer slightly. So leave it on for about 10 minutes. explained to you, so the onion has now started to simmer, so we can now take that off the stove.